So today is the 10th. I got the outlets in, the doorbell painted and installed. I got new switch and the fan installed, a new switch, another new switch, another new switch, a new outlet, the other fan installed, and two new switches and a new outlet. I also got, in here, I got the outlets finished, and I got the power box installed. And if you look around the whole room, all the upper trim has been painted now. So I got all the upper trim painted. I think I'm gonna stick with the one coat. It looks good enough, I think, because I already pre-painted it before I installed it. So it looks, I think it looks fine. One coat. And I started painting down a little bit, but that'll be tomorrow. I'll try to, probably 2 days of painting the whole room. And then paint the floor and it's done. Oh, I have to replace all the lower outlets. I have, there's not that many, but still I have to replace all of them. And that's a phone and cable and power. And power, cable, and power. And then the last power one's in the kitchen, power there. Because it has power here on the wall for the office. But, yeah, these are the outlets I replaced today. And I moved some, I switched some. Because I'm switching these to white, so I just don't want bare wires dangling in, so I put one of the white ones, the new ones, in. But then it's 2 days maybe of painting, maybe 2 or 3 days of painting, and then cleaning. Clean the whole house. Electric outlets, 2 or 3 days of painting, and clean. All right, finished for the day. It's 5:30. My back hurts. All right, bye-bye. It's hot outside. It's about 6 o'clock. Just a real quick video. I got this room all in paint. It's possibly going to need some second coating in some areas. Some areas I don't think need 2 coats, but up there I think we'll need 2 coats, the window. I got this doorway also painted. And I got all the verticals that go up and touch this near the ceiling, or touch the ceiling. I got all those verticals painted. And I got that doorway, this window, and this doorway painted 1 coat. I have to do this window still, that window still, or door, and that closet door. And then all the wainscot has to be done. So maybe 2-3 more days of painting, because some things need 2 coats. But I'm going home. Bye-bye. Well, it's July 15th, and I'm officially done with the painting. There's some minor touch-ups, but I sealed the plywood because I need to, because I need to carpet the floor, and I don't want people to have wet feet on the floor or the plywood to warp. So it's all in paint. I do have a couple areas I touched up because I put the new white outlets in today. Oh, and also I put in the new mailbox. Or new to us, it was used, but it was free, and there was nothing really wrong with it. Mold. Set it in concrete. And yeah, the whole house. I'm gonna give it maybe a day or 2 to dry. I'm gonna start washing the outside so I can paint the outside of the house. Oh, and I washed it. You can't really see it way down there. I washed the bathroom floor again, scrubbed all the tile down, and then dragged the hose inside and washed the walls. It's all on tile, so yeah, it's done. New lights, new paint. The carpet's in that shelf in there. It's blue, and we're gonna go think maybe tonight and buy more carpet. I don't know yet. The black spots on the floor where I drilled holes in to set more glue in the holes. But when the carpet's over it, you'll never notice. But yeah, it's done. Yay! And I borrowed the ladder from Shuji-san. Shuji. It's a 20-footer, but it doesn't go out full 20, it goes out 18. But I think it'll reach the eaves. Because next is washing the house with, I guess you're supposed to wash it with Dawn soap. Dish soap, just a normal dish soap, and get it out of the sun there. And let it dry a day, caulk it, and paint it that same day. So I think the outside should only take 2 days, 3 days to paint after I get it washed. But I have a massive trash and a massive tools that I have to find a place for all of this stuff, so when I start painting it's not in my way. So I gotta find a place for all of this. Probably just gonna put it in my van, but it's already kind of full. And I have to build shoe boxes. And that will be the last thing I do. Alright, well, that's the end. Happy days, finished, yay! Mailbox is the finish, yay! I realize now I don't have any before pictures, but I washed the whole house today. Started up at the top and then worked my way down to the, little ladder. I gotta finish the lower section. So yeah, anything that's gray has been washed. Anything that is yellow has not been washed. So I gotta go through and rewash all the lower sections, because it's spotty at best. I mean, if you see gray, it's been washed. If you see yellow, it hasn't been washed. So that's all yellow. That area's gray, but that area's yellow, and that area's yellow. There's a nice triangle. There's I don't know what kind of shape that is. Spades? An arrow. It's an arrow pointing that way. I don't know how well the camera picks it up. Or if it does at all. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Yeah, up there is all gray. Down here is gray and yellow and gray and yellow. Some spots of yellow, some spots of gray. In the back again, all the way up to the top of the eave is all gray. But you get down towards the bottom and it's gray and yellow mixed. So I gotta rewash the whole lower section. Okay, well, I'm done for the day. It's 5:30, almost 5:30 on the dot. And I gotta put this stuff away. But it's done. Upper is done anyway. See you. Well, it's 9:30 on Sunday. I got here at about 7. Try to beat the sun. So the sun's on this side of the house where I want to start. You can see the shadow. It's starting to get away from it. But I'm just going to quick video of the rewash. You can see the, I don't know if you can or not, the color difference. I showed it to you in the other video, where it just wasn't washed in some areas. On the lower half. The upper is all pretty well done. I need to get in between those two windows I couldn't reach. But here's the rewash. As you can see, it's, I don't know if you can or not, it's considerably different. I have a bad sunburn, so I'm going to stay out of the sun today. So yeah, when it's properly washed, it's all gray. And I couldn't reach there. So the house was gray, it's turned, that's the color of the house used to be that gray there. But it's just, got to get off the, like film. Yeah, you can see the difference when you wash it properly and when you don't wash it at all. So I mean, there's a couple little areas I could hit again just to get it perfect, but I went around the whole house and I did the lowers, so it I got all the lower done again so that it's all one color. It needs a paint job. It's 25 years old paint, so it just needs a recoat. Alright, well, that was a short little video. I'm gonna wait till the sun gets off this side of the house, and then I'll start washing the other side. Oh, it's gonna be hot today, I guess 93, or what did they say, 33 Celsius, 90 something. Yeah, you can see where it needs to be redone. It's just spotty. Alright, so I'll show after I'm done washing. I'm going to sit in the shade for a little bit. Wait till the sun goes away. Alright. Here's my Audi. I forget to take a before and after photo. But I started painting the upper part of the house. It's like this gray blue. It's taking me a lot longer than I thought because I have to paint every board individually and then roll it out after. So maybe a little bit longer than I thought, but here's just a quick video of what I've gotten done this morning in an hour and a half. It's painted just there. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but this will be a really short video because I got to keep going. I'm going to try to finish this wall before the sun gets on it today. Well, the sun kind of is on it already, but I'm going to finish this wall, and then I think I'm going to call it for the day. I don't know, maybe the front of the house. We'll see. Alright, and I got a new ladder from Shuji. It's much taller and heavier duty. The other one was just scary. And that's my little purple ladder. And I'll be able to do the lowers with it. Okay, bye-bye. What a lovely mailbox. Still needs to get the moss off.